Python is a high-level general-purpose programming language created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. It was designed with one main goal: make code simple, readable, and easy to write. Python uses a clean and minimal syntax that often looks similar to plain English. Because of this, developers can focus more on problem solving instead of dealing with complex rules. Python is an interpreted language, which means code runs directly without a separate compilation step. This makes development faster and testing more efficient. It is also dynamically typed, so you don't need to declare variable types explicitly. However, Python still enforces types during runtime, which helps prevent certain types of error. Python files use the .py extension, and the language supports multiple programming paradigms, including object-oriented, functional, and procedural programming. Another key feature is that Python is cross-platform. The same code can run on Windows, macOS, and Linux with little to no modification. Python comes with a large standard library which provides built-in tools for tasks like file handling, data processing, and working with networks. Beyond that, Python has a massive ecosystem of external libraries. For example, NumPy and Pandas are used for data analysis, TensorFlow and PyTorch are used in AI, and Django or Flask are used in web development. Python is widely used in many fields, including web development, AI, data science, automation, and software development. It's also commonly used to automate repetitive tasks, saving time and reducing human error. In real-world applications, Python is used by companies like Google, Netflix, and Instagram. Overall, Python is considered one of the best programming languages for beginners while still being powerful enough for complex, large-scale systems. That's Python. Simple, flexible, and widely used.